Welcome back to Bountiful Gardens. Joe here, and now that we're cruising into June, it's time to celebrate Pollinator Month by planting for all those crucial critters that keep our world buzzing. So what's the secret to a perfect pollinator garden? One word: layers. A few scattered perennials may provide a quick snack, but a well-layered native garden will provide both the food and the habitat for your pollinators to thrive for generations to come. For our first layer, we're starting at the top, or in this case, the canopy. Native flowering trees like dogwood, redbud, buckeye, and black cherry offer pollinators essential early spring sustenance and a shady retreat from the summer heat. For us, they serve as visual anchors in the landscape, guiding the rest of the plantings. Next, we have our second layer, the understory. Here, you're going to find shrubs like Itea, Clethra, Ninebark, and Viburnum, all which bloom late spring into early summer after those canopy leaves unfurl. Our native shrubs are absolutely relied upon by bees and butterflies each year, and they even serve as host plants for our vast array of native caterpillar species. The next layer is where the real magic happens. We're talking perennials. New Jersey is home to a vast array of native perennials that you and your pollinators can count on year after year from spring through fall. By planting with bloom times in mind, you can orchestrate your own seasonal symphony and watch the bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds dance across the swaths of echinacea, bee balm, and black-eyed Susan. Finally, we're down to our fourth layer, annuals. While you're waiting for the perennials to bloom, you can add instant nectar sources to fill those gaps in your garden with these hummingbird magnets like lantana, kufia, and salvia. Annuals provide the perfect finishing touch to your landscape and will keep your pollinators coming back until a hard frost. And you'll find the best selection of annuals right here at Bountiful Gardens. So there you have it. If you want to plant for pollinators, plant in layers. And whenever possible, plant native. And if you're feeling daunted by the task, don't worry. We can do the work for you. Just go to our website and fill out our landscape inquiry form and get your project started today. Thanks again for watching yet another one of our videos. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you like the video, drop us a comment, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this amazing content. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.